This blind really lowers heating bills and making it costs next to nothing. I don't spend money on ready-made blinds or shades. Instead, I make them myself in just a few minutes, and they cost very little. All you need is a regular roll of wallpaper. I start by measuring about 80 inches from one edge of the roll. This length works perfectly for a window that is about 3 feet high. I mark a line and cut the wallpaper at that point with scissors. Next, I use a thermal blanket. I stick strips of double-sided tape onto the wallpaper, remove the backing, and attach the thermal blanket with the silver side facing the blind. Then I measure about 1 inch from the edge, draw a line, and start folding the wallpaper. First in one direction, then in the other, until it forms an even accordion shape. This creates a pleated blind. When the wallpaper is fully folded, I mark the center and drill a small hole using a thin drill bit. I thread a cord through it and secure it with a small loop. I fix the other end on the back of the wallpaper, on the plain side. Along the top edge, I add more double-sided tape and attach the blind to the top of the window frame. In just a few minutes, you get an aesthetic pleated blind that looks better than a store-bought one. The silver layer of the thermal blanket reflects heat back into the room instead of letting it escape through the glass. The window doesn't cool down as quickly. The temperature difference between the glass and the room is smaller, and the heating system doesn't have to work as hard. Every year, I cover my windows with bubble wrap. At first, my neighbors laughed at me, but once they learned the reason, they started doing it too. It turns out bubble wrap has many hidden uses, aside from being a satisfying stress reliever. If the air pockets are intact, it can significantly lower heating costs by reducing heat loss by up to 50%. All you need is a piece of bubble wrap cut to the size of your window and a spray bottle filled with water. Clean the glass, spray it with water, and press the bubble side of the wrap directly onto the wet surface. The wrap will stick on its own, no glue or tape needed. For extra security, you can tape the edges to the window frame, but it's not essential. This trick works wonders for single-pane windows, basements, attics, greenhouses, and even some double-glazed windows. It's a simple, reusable solution that doesn't lose its insulating properties. You can remove the wrap anytime and reapply it, for example, on especially cold nights. Bubble wrap insulation has been proven effective in keeping rooms warm and reducing energy bills. Gardeners often use it in greenhouses, where it can cut heat loss by 30% and raise the temperature inside by up to 2 degrees Celsius. Over time, you can collect bubble wrap from packages to use for this purpose, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to stay warm. You might save hundreds of dollars during a single heating season with this simple trick.